All right, guys. Yesterday we talked about what did we talk about? Word equations. We talked about different word equations and the different states of matter: solid, liquid, gas. How if you got a triangle above the reaction arrow, it means heat is required. And we did the 7 diatomic elements that you got to memorize: H2N2O2 F2Cl2 Br2I2, which means if you see it by itself, like hydrogen gas, it's going to be written not as H but as H2. All right. So I want to together do an example. One that's a little bit hard now that we know how to do polyatomic ions a little bit. Not really yet, but let's see. What this is, writing word equations, is exactly what we've been doing. We're just writing the formula. But then on top of that, we're balancing it. So we're merging the two. This is what your test next Friday is going to be like. So, aqueous sodium bromide. So sodium, who knows what sodium is? Sodium is the formula. That's potassium. S is sulfur.
What is it? What are you talking about?
Sodium, element symbol for sodium. Number 11. Na, you got it, yes. Oh, you did? Oh, sorry about that. Can't hear well with this mask on here. So, sodium, oh, it's +1. How do I know that? Because it's on my periodic table, and I memorized that the first column is always +1, but what if I have a brain moment and totally forget the patterns on the periodic table? I can go on to the back of the polyatomic ion sheet, and sodium is down here on the S's. Where is it? Right there, Na +1. So this is a nice little safety net right here. All right, so it's Na +1. Bromide is Br, and it's a -1. And again, if you forget that the halogens on the periodic table are all -1, you can go on the back of the periodic table. Bromine is Br.
Bromine or bromide?
Well, bromine is spoken as bromide in the name. All right. Oh, it's aqueous. So if something's aqueous, what state of matter do we write it as?
Liquid.
AQ. AQ. So liquid is L. Aqueous is AQ. So we're going to put a little AQ at the bottom. All right. It reacts with aqueous aluminum nitrate. Aluminum is Al with a what charge? A 3+ charge, all right. And nitrate, ATE ending, that means it's a polyatomic ion. What's the polyatomic ion nitrate? Where is it? So nitrate is right here. There it is, NO3 with a -1 charge. But I have more than one of them. If I do the crisscross, the charge of aluminum tells me I need 3 nitrates, and the charge of nitrate tells me I need 1 aluminum. And what state of matter is it? AQ for aqueous. And it forms solutions of sodium nitrate and aluminum nitrate. All right. Now that I have the reactants, I'm just rearranging what I have. So sodium nitrate, sodium is Na, it's a +1, and nitrate is NO3, and it's a -1. +1 -1 is 0, so that's good. What's another word for solution? Liquid or aqueous? Aqueous. So aqueous is a homogeneous mixture solution. And then aluminum bromide is the other one. Aluminum we know is 3+, and bromide we know is -1. All right, then we got to crisscross it. The charge of aluminum says we need 3 bromines. The charge of bromine says we need 1 aluminum, AlBr3. And it's a solution, so it's aqueous. So really all this is the same stuff. It's writing formulas, nothing new. And then the other thing is balancing. So we're merging the two concepts. We got 1 sodium on each side, we got 3 bromines and 1 bromine. So what coefficient goes in front of the NADR? 3. All right, that gives us 3 sodiums and 1 sodium. What goes in front of NaNO3? 3. 3 nitrates. We already got 3 nitrates, 1 aluminum, 1 aluminum, and it's balanced. All right, and that's writing a word equation.